Welcome to the best picks. The Best Doctor Play Sets is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your little one, fostering their creativity, nurturing their empathy, and subtly introducing them to the fascinating world of medicine. We explore the top picks on the market, examining features, durability, and educational value to help you choose the perfect set that will spark your child's imagination and provide hours of enriching playtime. Number 5. Meland Toy Doctor Kit. This doctor kit has everything your child needs to play doctor. It includes a coat, hat, stethoscope, and many other medical tools. With a cute dog toy patient, it features a complete set of medical tools. It's perfect for aspiring doctors and nurses. It helps children become familiar with medical tools and procedures, making doctor visits less scary. It's a fun and educational way to learn. The realistic tools and costume encourage imaginative play. Kids can take temperatures, listen to heartbeats, and more. Playing doctor helps build confidence, empathy, and communication skills. It's a great way to engage in parent-child activities. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Recommended for children aged 3 to 8 years old. What we like? It has almost every tool a doctor would use. Plus, it includes a cute costume to really get into the role. If your child loves animals and wants to be a vet, this is perfect for them. Number 4. LOYO Doctor Kit for Toddlers. It's more than just a toy, it's a chance for your child to explore the world of medicine through imaginative play. They can practice their checkups and learn about the human body in a fun and engaging way. The stethoscope has a real heartbeat sound, and some tools even light up. It's a sensory experience that adds to the excitement of pretend play. The fun is amplified with realistic features. Made with smooth, rounded edges and child-safe materials, it's designed for worry-free play. It meets safety standards, so you can relax knowing it's safe for your little one. All 35 pieces fit neatly into the sturdy carrying case. The handle makes it easy to take along for playdates or travel. It's convenient for both play and storage. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids aged 3 and up will love dressing up and playing doctor with their friends. It's perfect for imaginative play. What we like? This set has fun light and sound effects that make it extra engaging. It also comes in a convenient case for easy storage and transport. If you're looking for a fun, interactive doctor kit, this is a great choice. What people say? The variety of items in this kit is phenomenal. There's an adorable white doctor's coat and hat with glasses. The little clipboard makes the child feel like they are a real doctor. There's a little stethoscope that makes a heartbeat sound, ear light-up scope, blood pressure cuff you can pump, even dental equipment. Number 3. Doctor Kit for Toddlers. This doctor kit is perfect for your little one's imaginative play. It includes everything they need to feel like a real doctor, from a stethoscope to a reflex hammer. The stethoscope actually makes heart sounds, and the thermometer, otoscope, and stethoscope light up, adding to the fun and realism. It's more than just a toy, it encourages role-playing, creativity, and learning. Kids can practice caring for their dolls, stuffed animals, or even each other. All the pieces fit neatly into a sturdy carrying case with a handle, making it easy to store and take on trips. Cleanup is a breeze. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's both fun and educational, making it a perfect present for any young doctor-to-be. This toy includes 4 LR44 button batteries. Always supervise young children, aged 1 to 3, while they are playing with it. What we like? The realistic sounds and lights add to the fun and make it feel authentic. It comes with a wide variety of tools for imaginative play. If you want a comprehensive and immersive doctor experience, choose this one. Number 2. Born Toys Premium Dress-Up Set. It's the perfect way to spark their imagination and introduce them to the world of first responders. Watch them role-play and have hours of fun. With this set, your child can pretend to be a brave police officer, complete with a hat, coat, handcuffs, badge, and even a personalized name tag. It's all washable for easy cleanup. Become a caring doctor with a coat, a working stethoscope, a name tag, and a clip to attach it all. It's a fantastic way to learn and play. Your child can pretend to be a courageous firefighter with a hat, coat, axe, badge, and personalized name tag. It's all about imaginative play and learning. This set provides endless opportunities for imaginative role-playing, keeping children engaged and entertained for hours. It's a great way to learn and grow. All the pieces are washable, making it easy to keep clean and ready for the next adventure. It's built to last through countless games. What we like. This set is washable, making it easy to keep clean. It also includes costumes for multiple first responder roles. If you want a versatile set that encourages imaginative play, this is a great option. Number 1. Liberry Doctor Kit. It's made of durable, non-toxic plastic, perfect for little hands. There are no sharp edges, so playtime is safe and worry-free. The stethoscope has heartbeat sounds, the blood pressure cuff fits on wrists, and the thermometer, otoscope, and flashlight light up. It's so realistic. It's great for imaginative play, but it also helps kids learn about medical tools and body parts. It can even reduce anxiety about doctor visits. The handy carrying case is perfect for keeping everything organized at home or on the go. It's easy to pack and take anywhere. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun, educational, and helps kids feel more comfortable with doctors. What we like. It's made of durable, safe materials and features realistic light and sound effects. The sturdy bag makes it easy to store and carry. If you prioritize safety and durability, this is the set for you. What people say. The pieces are interactive but not in an annoying way. There are little lights on the otoscope and flashlight that can be turned on and off. The stethoscope has a quiet little heartbeat. The blood pressure cuff is activated by squeezing air into it to move the dial around. Thermometer has different temperatures to choose from. The batteries are not replaceable, which means no accidental ingestion of button batteries. The Band-Aid stickers are adorable and super sticky. My kids have reused them for a few different sticks. The blood pressure cuff, but it had a kink in the tubing that might make it more likely to break in the future. All in all, it was a nice kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.